Hi friends, once again I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. In this video we will see about how to get started programming in Python, and we will learn everything in Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages. You can see the use in everyday like automation. They'll be used in AI, ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and also like web application and websites like Instagram, Dropbox using Django framework. In this course, we'll talk about all the core concept of Python and how to make use of it. Moreover, I don't want to impose everything in a single video, so I splitted each of this topic into not more than 5 to 6 minutes. So it is easy for you guys to follow up or go through it in your free time. I started this course for anyone who wants to start learning on Python. If you are a beginner, don't worry. We'll go step by step to learn Python, as Python is super easy to learn. In this video, we'll see like how to install the Python and IDE to write Python programs. First thing, what we want to do is like we need to open the browser to download the Python. For that, what you have to do is like we have to go for python.org. Here you can see the latest version of Python in the download sections. Here the latest version is 3.10.0.4. So whenever you are watching this video, there are possibility to see the more advanced latest version. So don't worry about this version. All latest version will have the backward compatibility. So all the concept will work in all the versions. Let's go ahead and download this Python version 3.10.4 and you can set up this one. With this setup, we can install the Python easily in our computer. Just I started clicking on download. It will take few seconds to install. So I will pause the recording and will resume it once the installation is successful. Now the installation is successful. We will check whether the Python is installed or not using the command version python ---- version. See, the Python has been installed over here. Make sure the Python has been added in your path variable in the environmental variable sections. Next, what you have to do is like we need to install the IDE. IDE in the sense like the code editor to run the Python code, just like the Visual Studio Code how we have. There are so many editors are there. Here I am going to use PyCharm. PyCharm is one of the best popular code editor for writing the Python code. You can get it from the JetBrains. So what I have to do is like I am going to jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Let's go ahead and download the PyCharm code editor from here. Here you can see the two versions are there. One is professional and one is community. The professional has advanced feature which we need to pay for them. The other is community edition and it is absolutely free, and we are going to use that edition only for this demo purpose and all. So let's download this community edition. Once downloaded, you can be able to see that in downloaded folders, and you can double click on it to run it, and it has simple installation without steps only. So you can simply click next and click continue. It will take few seconds to install, so I will pause my recording over here and will resume once the installation is successful. Yeah, after the PyCharm has been installed, you can be able to see the version in the pin to taskbar over here, and this is the PyCharm community edition which we can able to write the code, and we'll start to write the code from the next video onwards. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts on installing the Python, you just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you.